Hi there, Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another day of Kit Conspiracy. This is actually technically a bonus layout, and it's a short one today, you guys. This is just an extra layout I was able to make out of this kit not everywhere, wherever, from 49 and Market. This is our drive up to Idaho. There is a huge fog bank in those photos, and it was really incredible just to see it off in the distance. And then when we hit the fog, you couldn't see hardly anything around you. So it was really interesting and really cool, and I wanted to document it. So that's what I'm doing today. I am using a bunch of these frames. I'm really enjoying the frames. I used some in yesterday's layout as well. And by the time I'm done, I don't think I have anything but like half of a frame left. I'm also using a little bit of wood veneer from the Some Assemblage Required shop, and I will put links to those down below. Actually, I'm not sure if these are from the shop or from the advent calendar, but if they are in the shop, I will link them down below, and I will just link the shop in general because there's all kinds of awesome wood veneer in there, a lot of travel related stuff and a lot of non-travel related stuff. So you can go and check that out. And the wood veneer is what actually keeps this super simple because it's got so much detail and it's really interesting. So there's not really a lot that needs to be added to it because I really don't want to detract from that. I want to make it about the photos and about the and the wood veneer just complements that. So I am going to reserve that spot up at the top that has the white paper in it for my journaling, just about this fog bank that we hit and how interesting it was. And this is a section of road that really there's nowhere to pull over or anything like that. So you just got to keep going with it and take your time. And it's quite a long section of road. So I have another story about that road. I'll save that for another day. Unfortunately, I don't have any photos that go with it. But anyway. I'll save that photo or that story for another day. Anyway, I did add a couple of pieces from the laser cut elements from this particular kit, and I'm really liking how it comes out. This center photo, I did have to back onto some foam because it is bridging over the two outside frames and that bottom frame, so it definitely needed a little added support. And then I'm just using liquid glue to adhere it down to hold it in place. And there's not a whole lot more to this layout. So while I finish it up, I will tell you Kit Conspiracy is happening all week long, actually all month long. This is our kit of the month, and we are using the 49 Market wherever. MK is using the exact same kit over on her channel, and we do have some friends that are playing along in our Facebook group. The link is down below for that, so you can check that out as well and see what everybody is making. This is not a class or anything like that. We're not teaching you how to use it. We're just both using the identical kits and seeing what we do differently with them, because it's always interesting to know what other scrapbookers are doing with their products, and maybe you'll find new and fun ways to use it. And MK and I definitely have very different styles and very different ways that we use things, so that's always really interesting to check out what we've done differently with our kits. Now, I don't do anything else really on this kit. I just have a couple of pieces that I've layered up with these wood veneer pieces, and I don't really think it needs a whole lot more. I'm keeping it kind of simple. The background is doing a lot of work for me, and so is that wood veneer, which I really love how it is a very neutral palette with the wood. And so I don't tend to paint mine very often, but sometimes I do. You can definitely paint them, but I really like the addition of that natural wood. That is it, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you have questions or comments, put those down below in the comments, and I will get back to you as quickly as I can. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, or if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe as well. So hit the subscribe button, and you'll be notified if you hit the bell when I release a new video, which will be tomorrow. I'll have another Kit Conspiracy video for you then. And in fact, I think I have one for you every day this week, because this kit just kept inspiring me to use it, and I had a lot of photos from this particular trip, so I just continued to go ahead and work on it. I will have a double page layout for you tomorrow, and a couple more single page layouts. I will see you guys then. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.